Are you having issues where this cool new spatial wallpaper feature isn't working on your iPhone that's running iOS 26? If you want this 3D animation for your wallpaper on the lock screen but it's just not working for you, then watch the video until the very end, because I have a couple of different solutions for you. First of all, make sure that the low power mode option is turned off. Open your settings real quickly, then hop over to your battery section, scroll down towards the bottom and find this power mode, and open it. And now just disable the low power mode switch right here. This option is designed to save us battery life by disabling a lot of things on our phone, and one of the things it can disable is the Spatial Scene wallpaper. So after you turn this off, check if the 3D wallpaper works as it should. The next solution which I have for you is to open the settings one more time. Let's then scroll down and open the wallpaper section. Then you can open the wallpaper which is already on your lock screen, and if your Spatial Scene option is already enabled, which is this icon next to the three dots, then tap on it to turn it off. Wait 5 or 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This step will reactivate the Spatial Scene feature and it should fix your problem. Another thing that you need to do is to force restart the device, and you need to follow my steps carefully for this one. You'll want to press the volume up button, then press the volume down. After that, press and long hold the power button or the side button for maybe 20 seconds. Do not let go of the power button until you see your Apple logo appear over the screen. So volume up, then volume down, and then long press the power button until you see the Apple logo. Force restarting your device can fix a lot of different issues with your phone, including the problem where the 3D wallpaper doesn't work. Another thing that you need to check is whether the reduce motion feature inside of the settings app is enabled, because this can turn off the spatial wallpaper option completely, even though we enable it in the wallpaper settings. So open the main settings page one more time, and then locate this accessibility section right here. The next thing is to open the motion section, and you can see that reduce motion was enabled for me, so we will have to disable this completely. This feature is great if you don't like the animations on iOS, and it can also save you some battery life. But this option is going to cause your spatial wallpaper to not work, and we don't want that. Disable this option and tell me in the comments down below if this worked for you. Another thing which I have to mention is that not every photo is going to work well with the spatial scene effect when you try to activate it on your lock screen. Make sure that you're using a high-quality photo, and the best ones are those with a clear foreground or background. And I suggest adding photos of a person. Maybe that's a friend, family member, or someone else. Or pet photos will also work great. Just don't add some random screenshots or some heavily edited photos because they won't work well. But those are essentially the fixes which I have for you in this video. And you'll want to make sure to update your iPhone's software regularly, because the main reason why this isn't working for you currently is some bug or some random glitch. So check for more iOS 26 updates in the Settings app on iPhone, and update as soon as you see a new update. Also, tell me if you have any other solution in the comments down below so we can help more people, and I will see you soon.